What is up, you guys? It's Lex. Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's having an awesome weekend so far. Today we are in Virginia. We are at NOPI at the Virginia Motorsports Park. They're about to start running, so without further ado, let's get into the vlog. So I am here with Keytune Crayonto Racing. My friend Norris is the race director here, so really big turnout today. I'm really excited.
At 197, 804, and 172 for the CRX.
796 at 197. Alright guys, so I forgot the camera in my car during the passes, so Ronnie got everything on the iPhone. But besides that, I have my first and second pass. We're racing the 1050 index. So for those of you who don't know, if you go faster than a 1050, you break out of the class. My first pass was almost perfect. I did a 10.492 at 141 miles an hour, so really close but too fast. So we pulled some boost out on the second pass and I did a 10.732 at 139, but something fell off with the car, so Ronnie's checking everything out right now. As soon as we got back, I looked under the car and it was leaking some gear oil, and he said that one of the transfer case bolts backed out. He's jacking the car up right now, but I'm trying to get the launches as dialed in as possible so we can focus on consistency. But so far I'm happy with how we're doing. I feel like crap, so my voice is like cracking and shit, so I'm gonna go take some Dayquils. We have one more qualifier today, so 3 qualifiers, so we'll see where that puts us and I'll be back. So I'm car number 818 and 10.492 at 141. That's the first pass. Second pass, car 818. We did 10.732 at 139. So yeah, as you can see, my reaction times are kind of all over the place. So alright, I don't know if you guys can see that, or I don't know if you guys can even hear me. It's super loud over here, but it leaked a good amount of gear oil, so we're gonna go ahead and refill it.
We have some dog box sweat over here and some shavings, but no broken teeth. However, good. Yeah, this is the transmission. Transmission's fine, but it was whenever she was downshifting. This is Norris. Hi. Everyone knows Norris. But yeah, anyway, look at that. This is probably, you know, whenever you were like shifting and trying to like downshift and it wasn't working. Yeah. Probably this is probably why. This is like the other side of the gear that she initially told me she thought it had an issue, but we didn't have any issues upshifting, so this explains what that issue was. But other than that, it looks good. We're just gonna switch the fluid real quick because 2 of the bolts to the transmission needed to be time sorted. When we got the transmission, we got it secondhand. The threads were messed up, so we had 1 bolt in there tight. It backed out. When it backed out, as most of you guys know, the EVO 8.9 has a seal between the trans and T-case. That seal lost seal, so it was puking transmission oil out a little bit. Not a lot, but enough that caught our attention, and yeah, so here we are.
A good amount.
Yeah, we tightened it. It was maybe about 2-3 tenths of a quart. But we're just gonna put fresh fluid in it, make sure it's ready to go, and then back to 1050 she goes.
But yeah, it's getting overcast. Yesterday I got in 2 passes just for fun on test and tune. I wasn't expecting it to rain because the forecast said 0% chance of rain, but it started raining right as Ronnie got here to adjust my launch control.
How good the fluid looks. Literally blue stuff. Wait, brother.
Almost dinner time. Morning, everybody. We are headed to the track. We just checked out of our hotel. Yeah, so it's our last day at the Virginia Motorsports Park. We're gonna go get some breakfast right now, and then it doesn't look like it rained yet, so hopefully we can get one last race in. But yesterday we got in the 2 qualifiers and it rained before we could get in the 3rd one. So yeah, are you having fun?
Amazing time. So just supporting her, it's super fun for me, honestly. So we're not gonna do Q3 because it started raining yesterday,
unless they push it to today for some reason. Yeah, but I don't think so.
They're just gonna do eliminations 1 and 2 finals. We were so tempted every pass to just give it all to Bean so it can go 9s and we can have that little micro record. But
it's hard to not break out of the 1050 index, so you have to control yourself. All right, guys, we made it. It's really cold. I have my morning coffee. We are in the lanes. I'm supposed to go up against car number 81, except I can't find car number 81. So we'll see how it goes. It's really cold, so I think I might have to let off. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. But
going on with the 12,004 Evolution. Right now, stage number 6 qualifiers and last detail going to lower 11. So, these both cars what they would do right now. Evolution right now at 73 and the Civic going 11-2.
made it to finals. I won the round. I did an 11-3. My clutch started slipping in 4th gear. Ronnie will show you guys right now, but I mean, we're still going to finals, but obviously not as good as I would have hoped. So
we made some adjustments to the launch and it left really hard. It actually got sideways on the 1-2 shift, and right over here, if you guys look at the top row,
that's me hitting the limiter.
This is every single time you see a dip here, 8,300 RPM limiter. In 4th gear, you can see she's riding the limiter this whole time because she ain't a quitter. But
you guys, I thought I was in 3rd gear, so I like looked down and then I was like, what the hell? Okay, we're back at the lanes. It's my girl Giselle. I really want her to make a clean pass, so fingers crossed. As you can see, I'm cold, so I miss the California air. It's really cold on the East Coast, so the clutch ended up just taking a complete shit. So there it is. We're gonna pack everything up. We have about a 3-hour drive to our hotel for tonight, and then tomorrow we're flying back. But I was like, why is my mouth blue? I drank blue Gatorade. So yeah, not really the outcome that I would have hoped for, but it'd be like that sometime. Alright guys, I was just editing this vlog and I realized I forgot to film an outro. So obviously it wasn't the outcome that we hoped for. I of course didn't win, but the clutch started slipping like crazy, and on the pass where the clutch completely went to crap, I had my best reaction time yet. I had a 0.07 reaction time. So that being said, it is a point series, so I am 5th place, which isn't too bad for a clutchless driver. So when I get to my friend Norris's shop out in Virginia, I'm going to be installing a new clutch. I'm switching over from ACT to Clutchmaster, so stay tuned for that install video. But with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's little vlog. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.